In this video I want to demonstrate some of the changes made to the auto-completion function of the scenProc tool. The changes are that it's now also possible to do auto-completion on the attributes and the possible attribute values, which makes it a lot easier to construct filters for the tool. To do this you need to first just specify your configuration file as normally, and then with the scan attributes function you can scan the files, and this might take a while because it has to check which attributes are there, and after that the values can be used when constructing your configuration file. And I'm just going to give a quick demo of how it works. So I'll just add an I'll just go and import an OpenStreetMap file, and I'll just import everything. Well, the next step is that I will split it in the AutoGen grid, and maybe the next step is that I want to construct some forest out of it and some buildings, and this is where I would like to use the attributes. So I first press the scan attributes button now, and where you see the progress bar quickly appeared, it has now scanned the attributes. So if I now try to, for example, create polygonal vegetation, well, I need to have a grid for that, so I just pick the mixed forest. And now here in the filter is where I can use the sort of the new functionality. And in this OpenStreetMap data, I know that the forest is in land use. So if I start typing, well, you see I start typing land, and it already says land use. So I said okay, is, and now if I press the F, it will show me that there is a forest attribute in there. So I will use that one. If I just use backspace, you can see all the possible attributes that are there for land use. So this makes it much easier to see which attributes are actually there in your data. So another thing I could do is create again, say I want to create buildings, where the attribute building is, well, building is yes is used, some have also others. I'll just use building as star. Also here I need to set a, let me just do add a roof width. So what else could I do with this? I'll do another polygonal vegetation, and let's see if there's in the natural types. So I type natural, I start typing, let me see what's in natural. Yeah, water for example, but you see it also has scrub or dune or beach. So I could use natural is scrub, and then I think Flight Sim also had some, for example, low grasses, or I believe there was a shrub. Oh, here. So as you can see, with this new functionality, it's becoming much easier to create filters and see what is actually in your data. I'll do one more. I'll do a library object, where I say, I think man-made is the category in OpenStreetMap. And then you can see there's a, for example, a tower or a windmill or a lighthouse, all those objects. And then I can assign a library object to them. So with this new functionality you can much quicker see what's actually in your data, and thereby construct your filters more efficiently. Okay, that's a quick demonstration. I hope it's useful, and I'll just give feedback on the forum if you have any suggestions or problems.